Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reset the NVRAM or PRAM on your Apple MacBook based with Intel architecture. So the reason we're not doing it on a more modern Apple or Silicon-based one is that it does it automatically. On Intel base, you have to do it manually. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is just shut down your MacBook and then turn it back on and immediately press and hold the Option, Command, P, and R key on your keyboard at the same time. So again, Option, Command, P, and R. And then do that for about 20 seconds and then your device should restart. And that should hopefully be able to take care of that issue. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.